Today we are talking about toilet spray, and I'm sure that we don't need a demo on how it works, but I wanted to talk about it because toilet spray is something that you can find in the stores or other ways to freshen up your bathroom. So, there's certain brands out there that you spray in before you go, but most of those have not natural or synthetic scents to them and fragrances to them, which have led to cancers and other endocrine disrupting chemicals that are in them. And they also don't really help with the smell much. They just kind of mask it, but they don't help get rid of the odor. So it kind of doesn't smell very good when it's mixed together. The other thing that people do is burn incense, and incense is known to be carcinogenic, and it puts particulate matter into the air that you breathe in and gets into your lungs. So it is not good to be burning the incense because it can be made out of natural products, but it's also made out of man-made synthetic products that you're breathing in. If you're using bathroom sprays, those sprays also are not generally completely natural or using essential oils. They're using synthetic scents to mask odors, and that is, again, not helpful for getting rid of the odor, and it's also not healthy for you to be breathing that in. And trust me, if you can smell it, then you know that you're breathing in those things. I'm a huge proponent of essential oils, and breathing in aromatically essential oils or even putting them on your body is very healthy if they are pure essential oils. So Norwex has formulated our own toilet spray. This is my container of our holiday spray, but we have a regular one that's available year-round. And what I like is this convenient size is great for traveling. You can put it in your purse or in a backpack and use it when you're at people's houses or at the airport or any place like that where you have to use a public restroom. Just a couple spritzes, so you just need 2 to 3 spritzes on top of the water before you go, and it creates a barrier so that the smell doesn't come up through the oils, and breathing in the smell of the essential oils is actually not harmful to you, but essential oils and breathing them in is beneficial to your health. So Norwex's bathroom spray does not have any unnatural or man-made fragrances, no dyes, no SLS, no SLES, no phthalates, none of the bad stuff. To give you an idea of the smell, it's kind of like a light citrus scent, and it's made with essential oils. So having this sitting right behind your toilet is a perfect option for guests to use, for you to use, and then having one for taking with you is a good option. So Norwex toilet spray, I highly, highly recommend it. Easy to use and healthy for you and your family. All right, thanks for watching.